I gotta go to the f***ing auction, and it's so muddy out, my truck is stuck, so I hope this works. Let's put this bitch in drive, and let's hope she doesn't go running down the hill. Made headway, but I'm still gonna f***ing slip. I know I am. See, here's the thing. I could try to use the backhoe just to pull it, but if she short slips, that bitch is gonna make some ruts. F*** it. Let's try it. I'm not sold that this will do it, but trailer weighs like 8,000 pounds. Only one way to find out, boys. Only one way to find out. I'll just pull the bitch the whole way. Screw it. This is stupid. Of course, the school bus is coming now. This ground is so wet. I'm gonna have to just pull this thing all the way home. And based on my angle, I'm gonna hook her up and pull her out this way. That's why the backhoe is the ultimate farmhand. You know, you couldn't do this with a skid steer. You couldn't do it with your typical mini. If you had a very big excavator or like a very super large mini excavator, you probably could do that, but the backhoe just has the weight and it's got the gearing. So, fuck me. That sucked. Feel bad for the yard.
B, I want you to explain to everybody what you're doing right now.
You got my camera?
Yeah, I got your camera.
I'm trying to trim my beard so I look Amish for the auction tomorrow.
Oh my gosh. Alright, why don't you put on the hat and at least give everybody the full look?
I mean, I think I look Amish. Do I look Amish?
Bradley Yoder.
You like the Bradley Yoder? Well, crew, it's the next morning. Out of getting my truck and trailer stuck in the mud. So I am over at this Amish auction. This is an auction I look forward to and I go to every single year. I like this auction because there's very unique items that go there. There's some really good tractors. There's, you know, farmer retirement stuff. There's a lot of like really good, cool stuff at this auction. If you play your cards right, you can really get a good deal. But it's a little tough. It's a tough market out there, and the Amish try to look out for one another. And, you know, I understand that, I can respect it, but I'm here to make money. So this year I'm doing different things, and I'm making bigger moves so I can get a load full of equipment. 6 a.m. morning coffee.
Couple auction coffees. Let's go buy some crap I don't need.
Lots of shit. It's got a battery.
Probably does 3-phase.
Natural gas? Huh.
Oh yeah.
That's cool. International. I wonder if this is the loader for that IH 885. They usually don't put loaders on them, but this looks like it'll fit. This thing will go for money. Damn with the keys again. Love to know how many hours are on this thing.
3,300.
3,300?
Runs and drives good. All original.
This is a newer unit. This is a newer unit. It's probably from the 90s.
Yeah, it's got enough plastic under here.
Yeah. Might be 2000s. I wonder what this will go for. It's only 2-wheel drive though, but it's got the extendable frame.
No tail swing.
I wonder what cute Kubota's in this thing. They put tiny motors in this.
Free banger in it.
This is a bigger than I thought it was going to be.
1903 or whatever. 1505.
1.5 liter. It's probably a 19 or 17.
It's 1505 it says.
Yeah.
She's ready to rip. Very good operating machine. 2,300 hours, 425G. It seems like new.
Oh. Hydraulic blade.
Yeah, she's getting there. It does have auxiliaries.
Yeah.
She could put a thumb on this pretty easily.
I don't think they really like grease this machine too much.
Now,
there's like no grease anywhere.
This dipper got water in it and is frozen and buckling on both sides.
Look at that. This would be a neat piece to get though. Look at this Farmall. I would love to drive down the fucking road in this thing. This is a real man's machine here. It's a nice unit. Yeah, that's where I was like really checking. Like, this is the bottom end of the sump.
Yeah, this is the breather here.
Yeah. It's pretty tight. Dual PTOs.
This thing is so nice.
It's a real unit, dude. John Deere 2010 diesel. 4,000 hours. Man. These were not the easiest. I had never seen a 2010 diesel.
This has gold plugs.
Yeah, I have no indicator. Usually you got an old... Ford 6600 Blue Power Special. Nice rubber. Canopy's good. 3 points together. Looks like the PTO's leaking a bit. Big rear. Good tires, man. How much that diesel leaking? Injector pump's leaking too.
Look at this foot throttle. Look at this foot throttle.
Hell yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Hell yeah.
I love it.
Hell.
Rebar and some cable, a pulley, some hose clamps.
Wow.
They both do it.
They both do it, dude.
That's
Imagine
freaking
he must have
rad.
he calibrated the fuck
There's
out
an
of that.
engineer in the house here. Oh my god, dude. Plugs anywhere.
This foot pedal is off.
I know. It's gangster as shit, dude. What do you think?
I don't know.
Dude, it's got like no blow by either. Breather tube looks great. I can't believe how quick it started.
Yeah, me too. Can't get in reverse.
It's got a dude. That foot throttle is even ghettoer than the one that came on my dozer.
It's funny.
Remember that one?
It's funny.
These farmers are serious about their foot throttles.
One and a half. 100 now, 100 and a half, now 2 now half, two minute now half, now 3 now half, 3 and a half, 2 minute now half. With a loader. Look at the rubber. Wow, look at that. Right there, down 75, 100, 75, 100, 75, 100 now, 75, 100 now, 75, 5,000 bucks. I got 2, 25. You're renting it, sir. 2025, 2025, 25, not 3, 2000, 2500, not 3, 2500, not 3, 2500, not 3. We're missing a lot of people here, guys. 2500 now, 2500 now, 2500 now, 3, now 35, 3035, 35, not 4, 3500 now 4, 3500 now 4, 35. How about 37 and a half, just for you? 3750. 35, 3750, 3500 now, 3750, 3750,
Now you feel all right about it.
3750, 3500 now, 3750,
Yes.
3500 now,
So a running tractor with a loader, brand new tires, it's tough to say no.
3750. Sold 3,500. Buyer number is 227.
Great unit. Here's a little Tech Tip Tuesday coming to you from Henderson Equipment. So you take your beer and you put the tab heading down, and then you press your thumb on the side of the can like this, and then you stick it right through, and now you can drink it really quickly.
It's a pro tip.
So when the tractor prices aren't where you want to see them, have another beer. This thing's probably a good runner. She got a little fuel leak. Your thumb should be that thumb switch on the right. Yeah, roll that thing up. There you go. What do you think?
1,300. Not even 1,300 hours on it.
It's a what?
06?
05, yeah.
05?
Gently used for sure.
Wow, I'm impressed.
Yeah.
75 here now, 175. Hit 115 here to 70. As good as she's gonna come, boys. 115 here to 75 here to 115 here to 75 here to 175. Hit 115 here to 75 here to 115 here to 175. 115 here to 175 here to 115 here to 75 here to 115 75. 115 here to 75 here to 115 here to 3,000 here to 35 here to 35 here to 4,000 here to the big 4 here to 45. Hit 45 here to 5,000 here to the big 5 here to 5 to go to the big 5 here to don't miss her. Good rubber and all. Hit 5,000 here to 55 bomb here down, put the bid to the big 55 here down, put the bid down 55. Hit bomb bid here down 2 halves. Hit 52 half here down to the big bomb here down, hit the bomb here down 7 half here down, hit the bomb hit 7 halves. Hit 5500 here down 7 half.
Motherfuckers are heavy.
Yeah, these are the real deal,
I
dude.
cannot believe those are dented, these.
Real deal. Alright. I'm gonna back it right up.
You gonna back it with the ramps down?
Yeah.
Should be good?
Yeah.
Keep coming! That's good!
Yeah, man, I'm thinking like just
I
flip
think
it up,
you
flip
just
it upside down.
Tie your winch to here, flip the mofo, and right on the trailer.
So I'm on my way back home, and unfortunately, all I was able to get was a hay spinner for my mother and brother-in-law's farm, which, you know, it is what it is. I mean, I got a great deal on the hay spinner, but all the other tractors that I was looking at, and Spanky and I were looking at, I just wasn't able to get a good deal on it. You know, even me going undercover Amish, I just wasn't able to secure the deals that I would like to have seen. In any case, I'm going to fix up this hay spinner and make sure it's ready to rock for my brother-in-law. And yeah, we'll go from there. So until the next one, we'll see you later.